Hi, I'm excited to introduce a new pole from Windows 101. It's the Hero Air Trad series. Some of the innovations is the clamp. It has a great feature, which is a stainless steel spring. It adds a lot of bite to the clamp. Another big innovation is the ridge on the end of the pole where the clamp goes. It makes it for a very secure fit. It also has a notch, so it prevents the clamp from spinning. Those are great additions to the lineup. Another thing that we have is the pole comes with an Acme thread tip that accepts all kinds of tools. All brands fit on here. They just push on. Another thing is this pole is quick to adjust. This is how you adjust it. It has short sections too. Another big feature is that you can add accessories. So these are available separate. We have angle adapters. For example, this one comes with the Unger Ergotech. We have the one with a Mormon tip. We have a Itori Pro tip also. Another thing too that you can do is if you have an existing water-fed pole, this can be your second water-fed pole. It works with a Hero Air angle adapter for the water-fed poles. This system is already available and it clips in. Everything clips in nicely. And this fits on the end of the pole right there. It's available in various sizes. It is a carbon fiber pole. It's extremely light, very durable. Comes with great innovations, and I hope you guys give it a chance and check it out at Windows101.com.